All right, so you're going through the video calculator and you're seeing some of these terms: video clips, branded clips, reels, all that. And you're thinking, okay, what's the actual difference here in these products? So let me break it down for you and give you just a little bit more of a real person's description of what these are. So the first is video clips. Video clips are the simplest thing we offer. It's just video. No music, no effects, no fancy editing other than color grading. So it looks good when we hand it over to you. Each clip is about 5 to 15 seconds and they're perfect for social media or your website. You want to show off your service, your product, your space? These clips do that. And they're basically the raw material. You can use them however you want. The reason these exist is because sometimes you just need footage. You just need a bunch of clips to show the thing on your website or your social media. You don't need a big polished video. You need content that you can post consistently, and these give you that. All right, branded clips. Now the branded clips take it up a notch. These aren't just raw video anymore. Now we're adding subtitles, music, and your logo, and maybe some simple motion graphics as well to grab the attention. The whole point of a branded clip is to stop the scroll. Somebody's scrolling through Instagram, on LinkedIn, and boom, they see your logo pop up on screen, and they see that text that says something interesting, so they stop. These are still simple edits. It's not like we're cutting together a whole story, but they're way more effective than just a regular video clip because they're designed specifically for social media. They catch attention fast. A good example might be really utilizing and making efficient use out of an interview. So with the interview, you might have it where in your package, we ended up doing a 1 minute brand story video. There might only be 30 to 50 seconds of that interview that was 10 minutes in that video. With so much other great stuff being said, we're able to utilize a lot of the other parts of that interview in these branded clips so that not only do you get more out of that interview, but you have a lot of just content that covers, either more in depth or more broadly, something that you'd want talked about. The reel is a fully edited 30 to 60 second video, usually around 30 seconds, just kind of depends on. And this is the kind of video that's built to perform. We're talking music, color grading, transitions, sound effects, the whole thing. The goal of the reel is pure attention. You put this on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, YouTube Shorts, whatever's working for you. And it's designed to get views, get engagement, and get people interested in your brand. This is not just throwing clips together. This is a crafted piece of content, and it's built to work specifically around your image and your messaging. Brand story video. Now, a brand story video is longer. It's 60 seconds to 2 minutes. And this is where we're telling a story about your business, who you are, what you stand for, what makes you different. This isn't about going viral. This is about building trust. Somebody watches this and they should walk away understanding your mission, your values, and why they should care. These videos are meant to last. You put this on your website, you use this in your marketing, and it should be as effective 6 months from now as it is the day that we delivered it. All right, our photography package. So this is pretty straightforward. We bring a photographer to your shoot and you get 50 edited photos. High quality, professional, and ready to use. This is great if you need photos for your website, your social media, or to just have on hand. And since we're already there filming, it makes sense to knock out photos at the same time. Drone videography. Drone shots, who doesn't love them? We've got an FAA certified pilot, Part 107 licensed, and we can capture the aerial footage of your facility, your job site, the property, whatever you're thinking that would make sense for a drone shot. Drone footage is huge for construction companies, real estate, manufacturing, anywhere you want to show the scale and give people that perspective that they wouldn't normally see. It's also really engaging. People like drone shots. I love them. It adds a lot of production value without a ton of extra cost. Video uploading. This is exactly what it sounds like. We upload your videos to your social media account for you. Mainly YouTube, that's our biggest one, but Facebook, Instagram, wherever you have social media. The reason this is valuable is because uploading video, especially long-form video, can be a pain. It takes time and every platform has different requirements. So we handle that for you, so you don't have to worry about it. All right, organic posting. Organic posting means we're posting to your social media accounts for you. We'll do 2 to 4 posts per week and up to 2 platforms. We're not just uploading the video and walking away. We're writing the captions, we're scheduling it, we're making sure it goes out consistently. This is for businesses that know they need to post regularly, but they don't have the time or just the bandwidth to actually do it. Ultimately, we're just taking that off your plate. Stills and thumbnail creation. Stills are screenshots pulled from your video. Thumbnails are custom designed images that go with your video when it's uploaded to YouTube or Facebook. Why does this matter? Because thumbnails are usually what get people to click. A good thumbnail can be the difference between someone watching your video or scrolling past it, especially on YouTube. We create 1 custom thumbnail per video, plus we pull 10 stills that you can use however you want. Social media, your website, email campaigns, wherever fits. All right, so that's the rundown, and those are all of the end products of video production. So I hope this was helpful. I hope it added a little bit of clarity while you're going through the calculator. And if you still have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Down below, we have our email and phone number where you can reach out at any time. We make sure to respond to you within 24 hours of any inquiry. So thanks so much, and we'll see you out there.